Hey you guys, so this is gonna be a video of a few clips I got from this last week, and I'm starting off with my view while I was filming. Look how freaking cute. My husband playing peekaboo with my son. His smile, I can't. Oh my gosh. I slowed it down, so. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get into the groceries. Okay, so I picked up 2 packs of the 5 dozen eggs from Costco. Then I grabbed the organic blue agave. We were out of this. Maple syrup. I pulled the last one from my back stock, so I need to put it back. Boneless beef for stew. I definitely want to make a beef stew this week, so I got 2 packs of that. Blueberry nougat for dessert instead of cookies and ice cream. It's better for me. 4 bananas. Some blackberries. My son is a blackberry monster. Whole wheat, carb balanced tortillas. Bread. This is mostly for my son, but I will have a slice here and there. Rayo's, marinara. Best prices at Costco. Then I grabbed green onion, cilantro, yellow onions, and a few potatoes for the beef stew, really. Then I grabbed pizza dough. I love making my own pizza instead of ordering out, so I definitely want to make one this week. A bag of steamed broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and then a bag of sweet peas for Junior. The Parmesan fine cut from Good and Gather, Target. Love that. And then we were all out of butter, so I needed to re-up on the unsalted and salted butter sticks. And then Target, I didn't ask for this. I wanted the Target brand mandarin oranges, but they didn't have them, so they gave me this. And so I guess we're keeping it, but it's fine. Then I got some banza pasta made from chickpeas. I like to make this for my son instead of regular pasta. It just has a little bit more better macros. These are pods for my husband to make his coffee. We were totally out of mayo, so I just had to get another one of those. We were totally out of turmeric, so gotta get another one of those. I got 2 Roma tomatoes. Me and my son love to have those just raw. And then raspberries, a whole pack, double pack. Country crock we were out of, so I got that. I got a cucumber because I remember last time I got cucumber, my son liked it as a snack, so I want him to eat it again. Let's see if that happens. I got carrots for the beef stew, mangoes, avocado. I only got 2 because I learned my lesson. I can't buy all these avocados because we don't eat them and they go bad, and then yeah. So I only got 2. I got 3 green peppers because I've been craving peppers, so I'm going to use those in a few dinners. And then I got the Dawn Power Wash. We were totally out, and so I picked up one of the refills so I could use the same spray as the one I already have and just refill the liquid. And then we needed children's Zyrtec because our son had an allergic reaction. He might be allergic to cats and dogs. They said not to give him Benadryl because it makes him drowsy. So they told us, the doctor said to get this. And we're going to have to do maybe some testing to see what's happening with that allergy. But yeah, we just needed to have this on hand. He's not having an active allergy, but just needed to have it. And then I got 2 of these ground turkey rolls, 90% lean. So those will be great for some dinners this week. And I think that's everything. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to show you, but I did pick up these So delicious, dairy-free mocha almond fudge bars. These are the freaking best. And when I'm on my healthy kick, I love to have these as a dessert. I account 200 calories from my day. I know it's 180, but let's just say 200 and call it a day. So after I got home with all the groceries, it was nap time for my son. So while my husband was putting him down to nap, I went ahead and made myself some avocado toast. I mashed up some avocado, spreading it onto that toast I showed you, the 21 whole grains and seeds, thin sliced. That's key because they have one that's not thin and it's huge and way more calories than it's necessary. So this is from Dave's Killer Bread. I love this bread, the best. Then I put some pink Himalayan salt and fresh cracked pepper. And I wanted to add some tomato to it, so I'm just thinly slicing some tomato to put on top. And I laid the tomatoes on top. I added a squeeze of lime, and that was my quick lunch so I could get to work. But it was so good. Actually, watching this back, I think I'm gonna make one right now. Yum. So to go along with my avocado toast, I wanted a decaf iced coffee. I don't drink caffeine. I ended up in the hospital last time I did that, so we don't do that anymore. But I'm putting some collagen powder into the hot coffee. That's key. Otherwise, it won't dissolve properly. And then I'm going to put 2 pumps of French vanilla and 3 pumps of agave inside of also the hot coffee. Before I do that, I'm putting ice inside of my cup. This is where I'm putting in those syrups, again, into hot coffee, and then stir it because otherwise it will not dissolve properly if it's in a cold drink. So I'm just stirring that into the ice to cool down the coffee. And then I'm going to put oat milk in it. And it was perfect. And yes, I'm wearing a fuzzy onesie. As soon as I got home from the grocery store, all I wanted to do was get into my cozy comfies. So I put my onesie on. It was kind of cold in the house, so I was comfortable. Mind your business. So then it was time for me to get to work. I went ahead and cozied up on the sofa, had my avocado toast, and got my work done. And yeah, like I said, it was so good. I'm craving one again. So I think I'm going to make that for lunch right now. But yeah, getting work done, freelance life. And that's really all I filmed for this week. So I will see you guys in the next video. You'll see in the next video I am making beef stew. I made egg oat bites for my son, and I'm doing my hair, so stay tuned.